In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Stremio WebStream is not supported. If you're running into this message while trying to watch something in Stremio, don't worry. This issue is usually caused by browser limitations, playback settings, or permissions that prevent the stream from opening correctly. In this guide, I'll walk you through the most effective way to troubleshoot it and get your content playing again. First, open Stremio Web or the Stremio app on your device. Make sure you're already inside the platform and ready to test the stream that gave you the error. Starting from the same environment where the problem happens makes it easier to confirm whether the fix actually works. Next, try the desktop app first. Go to the official Stremio website, download the desktop version for your device, install it, and then open it. The desktop app is often more reliable than the web version because it has better support for playback and fewer browser-related restrictions. Once the desktop app is open, sign in to your Stremio account there. This ensures your library settings and watch history are available, and it also lets you test the exact same content under the best possible conditions. After that, open the same movie or show that caused the error before and try playing it again. This is the key test. If it works in the desktop app, then the issue is most likely related to the browser version rather than the stream itself. If you see any permission prompts, allow them. These may include network access or system-level playback permissions. Approving them is important because streams may fail to load if the app doesn't have the access it needs. If playback still doesn't work, you can optionally switch to an external player. Open Settings, go to Player Options, and enable the external video player setting. Then choose a supported external player that is already installed on your device. This can help when the built-in player has compatibility issues. Now retry playback by opening the stream again and letting it launch in the external player. In many cases, this bypasses the original error and gets the video running normally. If you're using Stremio Web specifically, check your browser extensions next. Temporarily disable ad blockers, privacy tools, or similar extensions, since they can interfere with stream loading or block necessary requests in the background. As one final optional test, open Stremio Web in an incognito or private browser window and try again. This helps rule out cache data, extension conflicts, or browser session issues. By following these steps, you should be able to narrow down the cause and fix the Stremio web stream is not supported error. Thanks for watching.